What is up, guys? So I had someone comment the other day and wanted me to do a comparison between Markate CRM and the free Square appointment CRM. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Keep it very simple. Comparing two CRMs. One costs money, one is free. And I'll just go ahead and tell you guys I personally use Square, but I will, go ahead and compare unbiased just to see which one is better. Especially, we're going to basically be looking at, what type of business do you have as far as like, I'm gonna say like scale? If it's just you or maybe one other employee, do you need a paid software or would Square be good for you? So let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm gonna go to the computer now and let's look up the features of both and see which one is better. So starting off with Markate, which this is my first time reviewing them. So, it's be unbiased. I'm not familiar with the features. So let's go ahead and go there and see what type of features this offers. All right, so Markate. All right, so management, finances, insights, marketing, automation. Okay, the full list. All right, so sales, you got customer management, estimates, invoices, online payments, scheduling. Okay, recurring invoices, credit notes, reoccurring work orders, job checklists, work orders, expenses, track mileage, increase, employees. Okay, let's click on management first. See what exactly we got going on here. All right, manage customers and send notifications, create and assign work orders, seamless appointment scheduling. And then finances, you got invoices, track sales, get paid online. Okay, track expenses. Marketing, create your online store. Don't really need that for pressure washing. Run exclusive deals and campaigns. Promote your website. Okay, that's really not that important of a feature for pressure washing. Personalized postcards. Customer Finder 360. Proposal kit. Okay, so SMS automation, send customers text messages, specific occasions like a follow-up. You can customize. All right. Email automation. Okay, so looking at this, it seems like it has some pretty good features. Definitely things you would want in a CRM. And then let's look at the price. All right. So monthly, we're looking at $30 a month. And then if you have employees, just add $5 per employee. And I don't know if there's anything extra. Okay, so you can ask for reviews for an additional $10 a month. You would probably want that feature. So let's say 40. Online booking. Another $10 a month. Okay, so 10. Okay, so there, a lot of the features that you would want are like additional costs. So the baseline is $10 a month, right? And that includes, $30 a month is the baseline. Estimates, online payments, job notifications, track expenses, marketing, integrate calendar, QuickBook integration, lead management, easy to use mobile. Okay, so that's $30 a month, and that's what's included for the 30 a month. And then the other features that you would probably want, $10. So let's just say, I would say you would probably want reviews. You probably would want like maybe, I don't know, you might want the virtual number or something like that, or promotional blast. So let's just say you add 20 more bucks. So $50 a month, 20 to 50, 20 to $60. 30 to 50 or 30 to 60, between 30 and 50 or 30 and $60 for this software. And then let's go to the completely free Square appointments and let's look at the features. Once again, guys, this is the software I've been using for my business for the past like 3.5 years. I don't want to come off across as biased, but we are looking at this. We're not comparing two paid CRMs. So one, take that into account that this is going to cost you $0, especially if you're a new business. So like I said, I don't want to sound biased, but I'm going to honestly at the same time be slightly biased towards if you're a new business, you don't need all those features that Markate offers. Square is going to offer you a lot, so let's look into it. All right, so it has scheduling, software so you can create a free online booking website, automated emails, and text reminders to your customers. All right, so that's a great feature. Google Calendar Sync, so another thing that the other one does, but this is free. Website integration, cancellation policy, and you can set up no-show fees, or if someone wants to cancel. Multi-staff appointments and tip splitting. All right, so point of sale, contactless payments, professional invoices, next day or same day instant transfers for the money, key in payments, and offer discounts. All right, so obviously, once again, so you can get paid online right through Square. You can book the appointments right through Square, and on it. So you have the text messaging feature for free. All right, so customer relationship. What do we got here? All right, so customer profiles and notes, customer transaction history, text and emails. I like this. This is one of the features I really like. That, you can look up if you booked the customer 2 years ago, you can look up what you charged them, whatever. All that gets saved. You can see how many times the customer has used you. All right, custom marketing campaigns, appointment and sales history, customer loyalty program, attach contract documents, import existing customers. So if you're using a different software or anything, or if you have a current like Excel file, you can import it to Square. Another feature I like for the free is Square Messages. So like, if you need to update your appointment time, tell them your customers you're running behind, you can do all that right through the software, right through the mobile app of Square Appointments. So messaging included for free. All right, staff management. So individual employee accounts, unlimited sets of permissions, team permission set, unlimited personal passcodes, multiple wage rates, time card reporting, labor versus sales reporting, commission tiers, Square payroll integration, retail and inventory. All right, so I think if we're really being honest, I think right now Square is kind of taking the win right now, because we are talking about for free. Like, look how many features y'all get for free. And then you got integration. So this also integrates with your QuickBooks. It tracks all your sales. You can send the invoices, customer management. So, yeah, guys, like, this is really, like I said, I'm someone who runs a pressure washing business. I've been using this software. I've had no problems with it 3+ years and $0 a month. So I honestly do not see why you would pay for, and nothing against Markate, nothing against them, but Square is free and is offering you some of the same features plus more for $0 a month. So I think we have a clear winner here, guys. So if you need a CRM for your business, I'm going to recommend Square. Nothing against Markate. Once again, if you want to use Markate, if you think it's better, go ahead. Nothing is stopping you. But if you want to save money and don't want to and you're not just saving money and having to settle. This is a good software. It's going to do everything that you're going to need to do to run your business and to manage your customers. So you're not losing anything with this free software. And a lot of times I see guys in different groups, well, because something is cheaper, we'll automatically assume that, because it's cheaper, it's less quality or it's not good, which is it's just false. It's just not true. So free software that's giving you everything you need, handle all your payments, and if you're accepting cash, you still can track all your sales, put it in there. But if you're taking cards, you can take cards through there, send out your invoices. So yeah, if you need a CRM, the link for Square will be in the description. Definitely check it out. And yes, guys, if you do not have a CRM, definitely implement one. It will help you run your business professionally and more seamlessly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like or leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps the algorithm, helps me reach more people. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video.